Oji AI review. Let's get started. So what is Oji AI? So Oji AI, also known as Oji AI Avatar Proto Generator, is an iOS and Android app that transforms your photos into stylized avatars, stickers, and short animated stickers, or you using loops using AI. Then you can also apply filters like anime, brush, dollhouse, and many more, and generate animated clips from your images. So what users appreciate about it is it has some creative variety, so offers many filters and avatar styles like the anime, cartoon stuff. They also have high graphic fidelity and a high overall ratings, which is up to 4.5 stars across 22,000 ratings. However, it comes with common complaints. So, according to people, they have a paywall and subscription traps. There's no free trial, and it's heavily monetized, so users cannot use core features without subscribing. They also have many users consider it a ref off or scammy because it cites misleading ads and aggressive upsells. It also has some performance issues and poor support with the rendering time is very slow and outputs sometimes fail or freeze. So in conclusion, it is legit but not worth it. It's a legit concept and occasionally generates fun animated stickers or avatars, but it has some aggressive monetization, strict usage limits, and slow rendering, buggy performance, and support issues, making it feel scammy and exploitative.